Alright man, what's going on, man? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy FatKat, of course, bringing you another one. Still here hanging out with my boy Chase and of course Keith. He's just purchased this truck right here, man. If you don't know what this is, it's a Ford F450. Already has a ton of stuff done to it. Bought it pretty much as is. He added a few things, but of course we're gonna bring him in a little bit so you can kind of talk about everything he has here, man. And you know, kind of go over the truck. We're gonna go around it, go inside of it, give you some rolling shots, all that good stuff. You guys know how I do on my channel. So without further ado, let's go and bring in Mr. Lily. And of course we have the man of the hour, man, Mr. Keith Bagged Cat. If you don't know, he has the Bagged Hellcat. You guys have seen him on my channel a couple times already, and he just purchased it. How long ago did you get this?
2 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago, man. So let's go and walk around the truck and kind of talk about what it has, if you don't mind. So first, what are we looking at here? What year and model and everything else?
2017 F450 Platinum.
There you go, 2017 F450 Platinum, man. And if you guys, well, actually, I'm gonna go ahead and let you go. So let's go ahead. I guess the first thing you notice is the wheels. So let's go and talk about the wheels.
22-inch American Force, 37-inch tires. It's got a Kelderman airlift suspension all the way around, so it's on bags.
On bags.
All 4 corners.
Not only is his Hellcat on bags, but then his F450 is on bags.
So 5 to 6 lift on bags.
Whew.
It's got 2 tanks underneath.
So
2 air compressors.
This is it right here, right? That you could.
Yep.
This is like literally your bag right there. Wow.
That's it.
Okay.
It's got the true spike lug nuts.
Mm-hmm.
All the chrome has been painted black.
So every single thing on this truck is black. Anything that was chrome is black now.
Black. The headlights have been sent off and they were pulled apart, and all the inserts and stuff were painted black. The grill was painted black.
Man.
The guy that built it just wanted it black.
Every single thing on it black.
All
Wow.
the side markers, the roof lights, all those have been tinted out black.
And these used to be chrome as well.
All that used to be chrome.
It's all black now as well.
Chrome.
Man.
The door handles were chrome.
Because it was a platinum edition, so
Right.
in the manufacturer world, a platinum edition, they think you want everything chrome.
Right. It's like I think it was like a brushed chrome.
Right, right.
So like the back tailgate, the piece of
all
chrome,
that was. Oh yeah.
all that was chrome.
Man.
So like the taillights have been sent off and they've been tinted and blacked out.
So those are blacked out as well. As you guys can see, the markers here are also blacked out, as well as the ones here in the front.
Third brake light.
And they're pretty much but they're clear. They're see-through. So whenever he's driving, they light up whatever color they're supposed to be. So it's not like, but yeah. And then so you're saying like this whole piece right here used to be like a brush.
Yeah, it used to be a brush finish.
That's all black now as well. Man, this thing is beautiful.
It's only got 14,000 miles on it.
2017, 14,000 miles. Wow. Basically brand new.
Yes, sir.
You got any other plans for it?
We did the exhaust this week. So we did 5-inch exhaust all the way back. Got rid of the DEF. So it's no cat, no muffler, 5-inch all the way back.
So for people, go ahead.
So it's got a tune on it. So when you do that, you got to put a tune on it.
Okay.
So it's got a dial inside there, 1 to 5. 5 puts it at 180 horsepower more than stock. So then you turn it back down if you're hauling a trailer and stuff.
So for those that don't know, when all the exhaust and all that stuff, because I seen it before, but I didn't know what needed to be done in order for you to do that. So for all the stuff that you've done to the exhaust and the tuning and all that stuff, that allows you to do what?
Yeah, you can roll that coal. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, you roll that coal. Yeah, so you pull up to somebody that piss you off, you can smoke them out.
So with this truck, he can now, yeah. And so like I said, so I've seen that before, and obviously you know the diesel, whatever, but I didn't know what that meant. So what that means is with the different exhausts and the tunes and all the other stuff, he can now roll that coal. And like I said, he has different settings he could put it on. So if he puts it all to the highest setting, he could, you know, it'll let more out. So and he has the other exhaust over there, and he was saying that exhaust is what, about 100-something pounds?
It's got to be over 100 pounds.
Because there's a couple pieces to it. It's pretty big.
So now I don't have to put the DEF fuel or DEF fluid in it.
That cleans and all that.
Yeah, you don't do that anymore.
Yeah, man, this is a beautiful truck. You have any other plans for it?
So we just did the exhaust. This is the tune.
All right.
I tinted the front windshield this week. Put the small valence on the front because it's 4x4. It's got a It comes with a big long valance on
Oh
the
yeah,
front of it.
yeah. You
So
showed them
the
that.
two-wheel drive valance. It's a lot shorter. It shows the suspension input right there.
So this right here.
Yeah, this. I just changed this.
Oh, okay.
I don't know what else to do to it really.
I mean, you really don't need.
I mean, I'm gonna
much
fix
more.
some of the stuff. Some of the headlights are starting to
Fade away, fade out.
and it's got some chips and stuff in the paint that I'm gonna fix. Put the true spike lug nut antenna on there with the bullet.
Right. Thing looks good, man. Let's hop on the inside. So by the way, this has the
Amp step.
the drop down. What is it called?
It's called amp steps.
Amp step.
So they pull down, they
Yeah.
flip down when you
So
open the
basically,
door.
the flip down's right. So it looks obviously looks good, man. Look at this. Look at this interior, man. Tell me this interior is not
So that's the
freaking
sunroof.
dope.
So that opens up. That roof is complete glass up top there.
It's the panoramic sunroof.
Yeah,
That's what
so
that is.
everything is opened up.
Let me go to hop inside here, man. Let's check it out for a little bit. Oh man, hold on. I'm gonna have to get back with you guys. I'm gonna have to hop in this thing. Hold on. All right, man. So I just hopped up in here. Man, this thing is beautiful, man. This thing is nice. I would imagine. Does it ride smooth?
Oh yeah, that's like Cadillac.
Does it?
Oh yeah,
With the tires and everything?
Oh yeah.
Huh.
If you're riding an F450 stock and riding this, you think you're riding in a Cadillac just because they're riding.
Just
Because
because
the
they're
450 is just so stiff because they're so. That's what they're made to do is haul stuff.
right. Yeah, man. This thing is beautiful. It does have the seats up right here right now, but obviously you can put those down. It's just huge back
It's
there.
got the E-level, AccuAir E-level, so it levels itself out.
I felt it.
Just like
Yeah.
the bag, like the bag cat.
You're back like the bag cat. Oh, before I get, no, you're good. Oh, there you go, the panoramic sunroof. You just washed it, by the way. That's why you got dots up there. Look at that.
It's got massaging seats.
You got massager seats?
Oh yeah, hold on.
What?
Yeah, hold on.
No, come on, man.
Let me get you some seat massaging.
I need some of that too.
Hold on, let me figure out how to do it.
Massage up there, yeah. Oh yeah, I feel it. Oh, I definitely feel that. That's cool. You would never think that in a Ford.
A Ford.
That's crazy.
Air conditioned seats, heated seats, and massaging seats.
That's nice, man. Like I said, so I mean, these trucks are pretty pricey, but at least they give you some sort of something that you can feel like, okay, I see where my money went. You know,
Right.
I'll tell you, just sitting in this thing is comfortable. It's not super loud. Look, you got wood trim everywhere. Obviously, that's leather right there as well. This is all leather, right? All leather over there, so it's not like cheap plastic. I mean, this is plastic, but again,
So that's the brush finish that all the tread
Right.
was. That's got the glove box.
yeah, man, it's a good looking truck, man.
This will slide over so you can have 4 cup holders or you can have 2.
And then you have all the freaking storage in here. Like, look at all this storage, man. This is huge. Look at that. Wow. And then, like I said, those seats obviously come down, and then you know you have basically a full bench back there where you can fit. Looks like 4 people back there,
Oh, yeah.
easy, 4 to 5 people. So if you got smaller kids, you probably fit about 6 back there. But yeah, this thing is nice, man. So yeah, so like I said, you don't plan on doing anything much?
I don't know what else to do to it.
It already has air suspension and all that. So you got the air suspension. So let's make it clear though. It's not like it sits on the floor like
Oh no.
the
I mean,
Hellcat.
it'll go down. So this is ride height here, so it's up probably 4 inches.
Right.
So I can lower it down to probably like the stock height where it
Right.
came, and then I can go higher than that. But you don't. I mean, that's just stretching the bags out. So
Right.
we've got it set in the middle. In the middle
In
there.
the middle.
So like if I back up to a trailer, rather than using the crank, I can lower the back down, climb up underneath the trailer, pick it up. I'm done. Lazy man.
Yeah, right. But this one doesn't have like the new ones, where it has like the trailer camera and all that, and like whatever.
It's got the when you get off the road here, it'll vibrate the seat.
Oh yeah. The lane keep assist and all that.
It's got that. It's got the what's that stuff called when you running up on people, or the brake assist or whatever.
Oh yeah, forward collision and all that.
There you go. It's got all that. It's got the exhaust used like for exhaust brake.
Yeah, this thing is nice, man. Well worth the money. And like I said, he got this used, but pretty much as is. Like I said, just did a couple things to it, but he got a really good price on this thing.
Really good deal.
Yeah, really good deal on it, man. So I definitely, he definitely got, you know, deal of the century on this. So happy.
Oh yeah, I love it.
And he had, I don't know if you guys knew, I mean, I didn't really feature the other car, or his other truck, but it was on there, you know, here and there. If you guys see my videos when I came over here.
13 F250.
He had a 13 F250 on lifted, on wheels and everything else.
Or 40-inch tires, whatever.
Right. So, and what size are these? 37s?
These are 37s.
37s. Yeah, so he had a F150 and that was super lifted and done as well. And so he went and sold, when this came available, he went and sold that and picked this one up.
I drove this truck a year ago. The guy that built this truck helped me do the bags on the FatKat. So he let me drive the truck for a week while it was in his shop. And I told him if he ever got ready to sell this truck, that I would buy it. So about 3 or 4 weeks ago, he told me he was selling this truck, so I had to figure it out.
So he says, I'm going to figure it out. And that's exactly what he did.
So I sold my other truck and bought this one.
Nice, man. So just like that, man. But that's pretty much, like I said, we just want to do a quick feature of this one because he just took delivery of this car. Kind of just took delivery of the car a couple weeks ago. So I kind of wanted to show you guys on the, you know, on the channel what this truck is, and like I said, and how it looks and all the stuff that you guys done to it, because this truck as it sits, man, it's well over, you know, 6-figure truck just with all the aftermarket stuff. Because you were saying just alone,
just a 2020 F450 without anything done to it, it's almost 90 grand. It's 90 grand.
It's 90 grand. But the suspension, the way this one is, he said just the front alone is...
Front alone is like $3,200 just to do the front.
Just to do the front suspension, the way this one sits, with the airbags and everything else.
So it's a $10,000, $12,000 lift on it.
That's crazy. And like I said,
that's not counting the compressors and the tanks and all that stuff.
And then like I said, to be able to get all that stuff rolled up, you know, because somebody knew was getting rid of it, to get it all rolled up and just do it, you know, just buy it all at one time like that. I mean, you can't beat that, man.
I paid half price.
There you go. So when things like that come around, man, you gotta jump on them. As simple as that. You gotta jump on it. And like I said, he already told the guy, hey, if you ever want to sell it, let me know. He was the first one he told. He said, yep, I'm getting ready to sell it. So he, like he said, he had to figure it out. Anyway, man, other than that, that's pretty much it for this one. You got anything else to tell him?
No, good.
All right, man. So we're gonna leave you guys with a couple rolling shots of this nice F450. I don't think I've ever done rolling shots of any truck, mind you, a F450.
First. FatKat is the first.
There you go, man. The first to ever do it on FatKat's channel, man. The first rolling shots of an F450, man. Here y'all go, man. We'll see you guys on the next one, man. Later.
Shaka on the beats. Shaka on the beats.